Hello everyone, my name is Spurti. I am studying in UG first year in TSR WMTC Jagadi Gupta College. Today I am going to explain about Rice-Tumro disease. Rice-Tumro disease is one of the most destructive disease in the South Asian countries. Tumro means degenerated growth. Tumro virus can cause 30 to 100% of yield loss. It was first observed by Southeast Asia country in 1940. The International Rice Research Institute first name of the disease stunting or dwarfing. Now let's see the symptoms of Tumro virus. The Tumro virus affected by all growth stages of rice plants, specifically in vegetative stage, means before flowering stage. Tumro virus. The Tumro virus by exhibits stunting or reducing the tillerings. When the plants infected from the Tumro virus, leaves become a discoloration from tip of the plant to down of the blade or lower portion of the leaf. Initially, leaves become yellow or orange yellow color and maybe rust color spots on the leaves. In young plants, tillerings are produced, but root development is incomplete and also delayed flowering. Panicles are stunted and not completely exerted. Most of the panicles sterile and partially filled seeds. In the rice plants, especially in young ones, the panicles are stunted and panicles are unviable deformed seeds. The localization of viruses in the vascular tissues and soluble the sugars and increase the starch and amino acids in the rice plants. Tumro virus is the association complex, the Tumro bacilloform virus and rice Tumro spherical form virus. The Tumro virus transmitted by leafhopers. Most efficient green leafhopers are Niphotex variceae. Insect could acquire the virus from any part of the infected plants. After acquiring the virus, vector immediately transmitted to another plant. In this manner, Tumro virus transmitted from one plant to another plant. Now observe the Tumro virus. It is infected by the Tumro virus. It is non-infected plant. We observe here. In this plant, more tillerings are producing. In infected plants, tillerings are reduced and stunted growth, and panicles are formed. These are panicles in infected plants, deformed panicles, and decoloration of leaves from tip of the plant to lower portion of the leaf. We observe here, these are initially leaves become yellow-orange color. In infected plants, partially peeled seeds. How to control the Tumro virus? Controlling methods of Tumro virus. The disease can be effectively managed by the controlling the insect vectors by spraying or dusting the insecticides like carbofuran and monocrotophos, and using the light traps also, it is one of the method. And cultural practices like pulling, harrowing and burning the stubble, these significance are reducing the primary infection. And association of neem cake, the basal dose minimize the disease, and remove the wheat oats on the burns, and use resistant varieties like IR37, IR50, Sureka and Bharani. The resistant varieties have a more resistant power to fight against diseases. Thanks for watching.